In the heart of bird paradise, Singapore, something extraordinary happened. 8 magnificent scarlet macaws gathered in one place, their feathers glowing like fire against the greenery. These birds aren't just beautiful, they're smart, social, and full of personality. Watch how they interact, spread their wings, and pose as if they know they're being filmed. It felt like stepping into a painting brought to life. Scarlet macaws are native to Central and South America, but here in Singapore, they found a home that lets them thrive and enchant visitors. Their calls, their movements, and those deep, soulful eyes, it's a rare chance to see so many together in harmony. This moment reminded me how powerful and peaceful nature can be, if we take the time to look. I hope you enjoyed this visual journey. If you love birds, travel, and unforgettable moments, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to Medley with Dr. Muneer for more.